best anti-hair fall shampoo. And also a word about Ketoconazole shampoo, its uses, side effects and other things. In today's times, do we know that more than 50% of men experience hair fall by the age of 50 years, and also more than 1/3 of women experience hair fall by the age of 50 years. One more चौंकाने वाला fact is करीब 21 साल की young age पे 25% of men have already started suffering from hair fall, experiencing hair fall and finding out methods of improving their hair. So this is something we need to discuss today. Moreover, let us first consider a few symptoms of hair loss. Suppose somebody has good hair, then they start feeling that I am having some hair fall on the pillow, in the shower, in my comb or in my hairbrush, and the thickness of my hair is also decreasing. So one is thinning of hair in diameter and also thinning in volume of hair. Then after some time they start feeling कि बालों के बीच का distance बढ़ गया है. So हमारी hair thin हो गई है, थोड़ा distance बढ़ गया है, and my hair line is also probably receding in the male patients. Females में से कि हमारा thinning हो गया है. Some visibility of scalp has started appearing on my scalp, doctor, and please help me. The other symptom can be some itching, redness, or if I put my nail in the scalp, something comes in my nails. Patient आके बोलते हैं कि जब हम scratch करते हैं तो नाखूनों में कुछ भर जाता है. So they may be the patients जिनको hair fall इसके साथ related है. So the first scenario was male and female pattern hair loss, which is related to DHT, which is dihydrotestosterone, which will come later. But most of the people are familiar with male pattern baldness and female pattern baldness. The second scenario was due to inflammation of the scalp. तो scalp में अगर inflammation है, dermatosis हो रहा है, psoriasis हो रहा है, थोड़ा seborrhea हो रहा है यानी dandruff हो रहा है, तो आपके nails में कुछ भरेगा. Then other things can be nutritional causes, hormonal causes, then some other psychological causes like trichotillomania, and the list is even more. But what we need to understand today is if somebody starts feeling hair loss, then the first thing that comes to mind, कोई अगर shampoo ऐसा मिल जाए जिससे मेरा hair loss कम हो जाए तो it would be wonderful. So for that, market is filled with so many anti-hair fall shampoos. Today we will discuss whether these anti-hair fall shampoos are helpful to you or not, what do they claim to have, and whether they have those nutrients or solutions in them, and whether you may be benefited by them or not. So let us discuss this in detail. My name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon, and you can subscribe to Saraswat Hospital for many more such educational and testimonial videos. Let us first discuss about those shampoos who claim to have DHT blockers in them. So nowadays we see shampoos ki this shampoo has minoxidil in it, and so you will gain benefit and you will have less hair loss. Now the first thing to be understood here is for how long do we keep shampoo in the hair? So usually people keep for 1 minute or maximum 2 minutes and then we wash it off. So minoxidil is something which should be applied after wash and if necessary reapplied in the evening, and it should stay on the scalp. So therefore, in order for minoxidil to help you in preventing hair loss as a DHT blocker, हमें चाहिए कि minoxidil को ज़्यादा देर के लिए scalp पे रखें. Then along with minoxidil, if the shampoo has some other natural ingredients also to prevent hair loss, then also we need to increase the application time of shampoo on the scalp. So this application time needs to be at least 20 to 30 minutes. Generally, we ask the patients to do when they want to see whether the shampoo is helping them or not, that आप shampoo को dry scalp पे लगा लीजिए, जरूरत है तो थोड़ा सा water add करके, थोड़ा सा liquefy करके और उसको scalp पे लगाकर और अपने natural काम करते रहिए, normal daily routine के काम करते रहिए. 20 to 30 minutes के बाद आप washroom में जाकर and then you wash your hair. So that way we have to increase the application time, otherwise it is of no use. Now we can hit the like button and now we'll go to the second part of it. Let us talk about Ketoconazole shampoos now. So in the market over the counter we can always get 1% Ketoconazole shampoo. It is useful in seborrheic dermatitis or plain dandruff. It is useful if kept for even 1 minute as it decreases the seborrhea or dandruff. Now 2% Ketoconazole should be prescribed on a prescription by a doctor to be taken, and it is useful because it decreases the fungus on the scalp. It is to be kept for about 5 minutes or so on the scalp for proper functioning of the ketoconazole substance. So how does ketoconazole help? It helps mainly by decreasing the inflammation due to fungus. So it decreases hair loss. And second way is it also helps in decreasing either 5-dihydrotestosterone or decreasing the 5-hydrotestosterone getting connected to the androgen receptor gene. So even in male or female pattern baldness, we can prescribe ketoconazole and it helps in decreasing hair loss. So we know 3 big B's for hair fall solution. So these 3 are minoxidil, finasteride and also ketoconazole. So now we know that ketoconazole is actually helpful in not only decreasing the inflammation of the scalp, getting rid of fungus of the scalp, but also in male and female pattern baldness. If you want to ask anything, you can write down in the comment section below and then we can answer you as soon as possible. So what would be the ideal anti-hair fall shampoo? An ideal anti-hair fall shampoo would be that shampoo which properly deep cleanses the scalp and hair roots and also gives conditioning to the hair to make them light and lustrous. It also suppresses the local causes of hair loss. But mind you that nutritional and hormonal reasons will still be there. Any hair fall shampoo will not help us if the cause of hair loss is not on the scalp. That way we now proceed to find out what an ideal shampoo should be. If you find out that even after using a number of shampoos, you are not able to have any benefit in your hair loss, you should see a hair doctor so that you are diagnosed as to what is the cause of hair loss and how you'll be benefited. Also, if you want to have a consultation with us, you can always call on the numbers below so that we can talk and help you. What should be the best anti-hair fall shampoo or the ideal anti-hair fall shampoo? As we just now discussed, it is very difficult to find out the ideal anti-hair fall shampoo, but we can always check for some of the ingredients which are proven or known to be helpful in decreasing the hair loss and improving the texture and luster of the hair. Let us now enumerate a few of them. You can see on your screen and I will also discuss with you right now. Some of the ingredients you should look for in your shampoo, natural ingredients are onion extract. Onion extract is known for its sulfur and that way it increases the collagen on the scalp and also boosts the growth of hair follicles. It also has antimicrobial and antibacterial function. So it also decreases the irritation, inflammation of the scalp and helps in hair loss. Then we can look for avla, rita and shikakai extract. Rita or soap nut has for time immemorial has been known to deep cleanse the scalp and hair. It is used in homemade shampoos also, as are avla and shikakai. All of them are known to deep cleanse and help in growth of the hair. Then we can look for rosemary extract and rosemary oil. This is known to promote hair growth by its active ingredient, which is carnosic acid. Nowadays, a lot of feeds you can find in your Instagram and other social medias which promote rosemary. But as a constituent of a shampoo, it is worthwhile to check for. Bhringraj extract. It is known to prevent premature graying of hair, to maintaining hair growth and also sealing the moisture in the hair roots so that they are lustrous for a longer period of time. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is known to keep the hair shiny and it prevents the dandruff also. Then guargum extract. Guargum forms a sort of film-like coating on the shaft of the hair so that it gives very good conditioning to the hair and luster also. Hydrolyzed rice and wheat protein. They are very important as they add elasticity to the shaft of hair, which improves its strength and also it seals moisture in the hair. So it makes it lusterful for a longer period of time. If you want to know about 3 best home remedies to prevent hair loss, you can click on the video above. One very important question often asked by patients in the consultation chamber is, Doctor, what should be the type of shampoo I would be using for my type of scalp? So I would just like to answer that if you have an oily scalp, it means your hair tends to become oily without oiling in a matter of hours or a single day, then you should use shampoo, preferably with natural ingredients, or you can see for lauryl sulfate with mild to moderate moderate quantity, not too much of it. And also, it should not contain much of conditioning aid. It may contain things like tea tree oil, but not much of glycerine or other conditioning agent which are beneficial for dry scalp. Coming to dry scalp, again, we should find natural ingredients first, and it should always be sulfate and paraben free, but they can have conditioning agents like olive oil or coconut oil or jojoba oil or even glycerine. So mind you, depending upon the condition of oil on your scalp, it doesn't matter much, but you can choose a shampoo of your choice. So the take-home message would be, we should look for natural ingredients in our anti-hair fall shampoo, preferably essential oils like rosemary, lavender, then onion extract, then Rita Amla, shikakai. And also, if you have thin hair and you want to have a bounce, we should also look for hydrolyzed wheat and rice protein, which forms a coating on the hair and gives bounce and fullness to the hair. If you find value in this video, please share it with your family and friends so that they also get benefited. If you want to know about hair loss treatment for men, please click the video on the left. And if you want to know about hair transplant, click the video on the right.